Hey, there we go. So I am now streaming. I'm curious how long it's going to take for that one to 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alrighty. So alright. Going. Start a sketch. So I know I need to go a circle, and I'm going to set the dowel size. I need to mute this thing from the backside. I don't mind hearing myself as I'm going, but as I am hearing myself a few minutes late. So anyway, I'm going to actually use, I like to use a lot of parameters when I do Fusion 3. And so I'm going to start with, I know that the dowel size is exactly going to be 0.75 inches. You actually type it incorrectly, huh? 0.75 inches. And then I'm going to go to add a dowel buffer, and I'm going to add just like maybe 2 millimeters to that, so that as I go to build the thing that the dowel just dropped right in. I also know that the kind of cup that's going to sit underneath the dowel, I want it to not be a full 180 degrees. I'm going to basically make 2 up, 1 on each side, and so I want to make it so that is only like 170 degrees, so that there's no problem with it like clipping in and out. So I will go 170 and change it to, I need to go cup angle, whatever, and it'll be 170 degrees. That way I can change that a little bit later if I would like. I'm noticing that this seems to be cutting in and out, maybe because I am not continuing to talk loud enough. So I was kind of surprised that I would not be talking. So I do know that I need a hole, actually screw hole diameter, and I need to grab one of the screws. I'll be back in a sec. All right, luckily floating around here. Somewhere I have some calipers. Ah, there they are. Weird to see me back there when I know I'm sitting in my chair right now. So anyhow, I am going to measure the width of a number 8 screw. It looks like it's basically 3 millimeters. So I shall use 3 millimeters. 3. For that, I'm going to actually add screw head diameter, and the screw head itself is, it says 7.6, so I'll just make it 8 millimeters. It is. That makes it easy. And then I need to do a, let's see, screw, and I need to, what the heck is the word I'm suddenly thinking of? We'll skip that one for now. So I've got, material thickness. So that's how thick I want each of the pieces. And I think reference, I think I'm going to go 4 millimeters. 4 millimeters. And then think that's probably good. Actually, um, I'm gonna go outer diameter, and this is actually going to equal dowel size plus dowel buffer times 1.25. How's that sound? I think that works. If it's 3/4, actually, I don't know if that'll work. I'm gonna go 0.5, and we will see how that works. Okay, so let's go back and put a dimension on that guy. Come on. And we're gonna say that this is dowel size plus dowel buffer. So that is exactly where the dowel will would be sitting, and I'm gonna actually change this into a not an actual circle. I want to change it to a construction, and actually do that correctly and make it a correct there. And then I am going to go and create another circle from there, and go, this will be equals dowel. Actually, you know what, easier way to do it is go from there offset by material thickness. That looks great to me. All right, so then I know that I need to go ahead and create a line from there to there and there to there. And these also will be construction lines. And I need to go let us create another line from here to here and here to here. And I'm going to go and grab that one, and we're going to go and that one and grab that one. Grab that is already coincidence, and then if I grab this thing, yep, the whole thing should move. Okay, so now I can go and dimension this to here, there, there, dimension, there, and this needs to be angle. I remember it was angle, cup angle. So cup angle divided by 2. And I then could that, and first off, make them back construction lines again, and I'm going to sketch, mirror those two across that line right there. Perfect. All right. Then I need to go C, enter, out. This can actually stay as being a whole object for now. So grab it, dimension it. There you go. This is going to be diameter, and this is the outer diameter. All right. So let us take a look. That does not make sense. I wanted that to there, and yeah, that's a diameter, that's a diameter. This one right here equals dowel size plus buffer. Oh, I know what it did. That's what I did. Because my Dowel buffer was multiplied. Yeah, you got to remember your rules of algebra when you start doing. Oh. All right, so that was actually not going to work. So instead of Dowel and buffer, I'm going to go Dowel plus buffer plus material thickness plus thickness. There we go. Okay. So now I can just go like a line from there, there, line from there to there, and I can get arc. I will go center point and 2 points. So center point needs to be there. This one. There. Need to do it again there. That is latching on. Anywho, so at this moment, oh, then the other thing I need to do is scroll back in. Let's go C here, and we need to go A. Screw hole diameter, and another. This is screw head diameter. Wow. All right. Well, but I am going to take that point and make it coincidence that line. Well, that's not looking like what I wanted to do. Oh, well, no wonder. Else if I actually make it go where I want it to go instead of some other random dimension. There we go. Okay. So this thing we can extrude. I hate doing it. There we go. Extrude. And that can go material thickness. And go back and turn on my sketch, and this can, oh, just remembered, I have another one. I need to add cup depth in here, and that will go to, how far should I make that? Let's see, I need to make sure that in the play of the cut that I don't make it too narrow. So let me try and look at that. If I go a ½ inch, yeah, I'll go a ½ inch. All right, so we will go 0.5 inches and let it calculate that out. So then get back there. I need to extrude this up. I need to go extrude it by material thickness plus cup depth. And then this thing, I am going to extrude back by material thickness minus, oh yeah, and I should, that's about another 3 millimeters. So I will actually minus screw hole diameter. Perfect. All right, there is the basics of what I want, but I need to add a few things to this so that it has a little bit more support and looks a little prettier. So the first thing I will do is I'll take this, I will insert camper and all right, and let us create a plane so I can get some supports built under this thing. How do I get to you? But I don't care. What I'll do is now's the part where I'm learning, and I don't learn on this. Let's figure it out. Let's create a new sketch. That new sketch is on this. I am going to draw from there. There. That works. Let's go and take there dimension from there equals. So if I go from there, not going to tell me, are you? Yes, that's fine. We can just reference it. And this, there. Come on. Needs to equal that times 0.75. There you go. Okay. Now what I can do, I should be able to then create a revolve of this around that axis by cup angle, okay, negative cup angle, and going back to there, actually home. All right, well, now I think I just need to pretty up a bit. There and there, I'm going to take those and give it a fillet and I think I will use since I use material thickness there, I will just use material thickness. How does that look? That actually looks good. On this side and that side, I will create a whole nother fillet and see what happens when I do material thickness. That one, material thickness. Well, hello, I actually see someone there. Hello. Are you actually still there or did you drop off? my wife just got home from the store. She went to get the rest of the stuff for the project. That. All right, there and there. And there. And probably grab that side and that side and that and that side. No, I'm completely doing it. Too far. Come on. 1, 2. That looks funky right there.
Yeah.
So I'm actually, sadly, almost done. But I think I've got this pulled together. So there we go. I'll hit OK. And I can show you kind of what I did here if you would like to see. So I started out with a sketch and I drew all of the base dimensions.
I wasn't here for what.
Okay, that's fine because I'm streaming it, and there is somebody there. That's not me. Oh wait, they fell off. Bye bye. Okay, I'll stop.